Good morning. I think I think Brody's just showing his it is Pride Month, you know. But if he's gonna be a dickhead towards other people in the chat, then he will get banned. But good morning. How are we doing? Mod, send his ass a warning. Thank you very much, mods. I think man woke up on the wrong side of the bloody bed. I'll tell you that much. Do not warn me. Well, I just did. Don't be a dickhead in the chat. Be a dickhead, win dickhead rewards. That's just how life is. Morena, ora. How are you? Morena. This is going to be a bit of a chill day today. It's just looking over the whole carving again. And getting the ball rolling. We will most likely stain it. I really want a good day. I don't really like staining on rainy days. Spain, don't stoop to that level either. What's up, Corey, over on YouTube? Is that an icon next to your name? What's that, Corey? Is that a profile picture? With the flared base, bro, you are the elongated pole with the flared base because you're acting like a bit of a dick right now. The longer you stay, the more I start to roast you, bro. You might think you're safe, but not against me. You think you're trolling in the chat, but bro, you ain't seen cheeky troll Brox before. I am a descendant of Maori after all. Hey, what's up, Mo? What's up, YouTube? Morena, morena. Hope you're good. Hope you're all well. I am gonna start trying to pump out more VODs on YouTube, which I have been doing. I did upload a video yesterday. I've been practicing my thumbnails. Big love from Louisiana. Cheer, my brother. Cheer, brother Corey. Where you from? I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand, so we're down here in the southern hemisphere. Next to Australia, pretty much. This is usually my time to play well, but I saw you like, hey, bro, you play well too, man. Ain't nothing wrong with playing some well, my bro. I'm gonna drink my coffee before I start. New Zealand is big Zealand. No, I'm not really into cricket, brother. I know that there's cricket on or something, but yeah, it's not really for me. And this week too, I will be cutting up the next piece of timber. But once again, I'll most likely have to do that offline, yeah, to get us ready for the next commission, pretty much. Do you do any hunting? Back in my hometown, yeah. Normally around when the raw's on, so when everyone calls it like open season, I think? Open season? But why not on TikTok, bro? I normally have a conversation here before I start TikTok up. So yeah, normally the raw's around April. That's when the stags start roaring more and they're easier to find. Sounds like lava, just better than any. Particularly when he's slime. Got a mean flow. Yeah, this guy, chase him. If you're ever in Louisiana, let me know, brother. Oh, bro, my man got the cuisine, bro. What's your favorite dish to make? Hello from Washington, long time lurker, first time chiming in. Love your content. Hey, cheers, brother. Thank you very much, my bro. Yeah, so today we'll be back on the pedal today. We'll look over the handle again. We'll go over these ones again. I still got like a bit more area to design, but for now we'll look over this and then we'll look over this one more time. See if we find any machine marks and then we'll shave those off. Ideally, I don't want to stain on a day like this, but we'll see how the day takes us. Yeah, we'll see how the day takes us. So I'm here, I'm gonna go to sleep. All good, my brother. Good to see someone going to sleep. The weather, yeah, hopefully. Yeah, ideally I don't like staining when it's raining. Yeah. But if it holds out like this, then we'll get into it. Yeah, so all along the sides here, I want to clean up. Even underneath too, all along here. See how it looks kind of rough? I want to clean all of that up, like all around. So it's just machine marks, kinda. So I want to clean all of that up, get it all off. Even over here, see, you can kind of see them there. So it's all about it's like a little bit of a clean up day, pretty much. And that's what I want our focus to be today. Okay, I want to take my wedding ring off, so I'm just going to take it inside and then we'll get into it, eh? Alright. Sorry guys, I was being cheeky to my wife. Or you scallop the back of the... so I'll probably just keep it all in the middle, pretty much. The outer border is just so... just to keep it there. So like, especially for the edges as well. My two specialities are... Cajun cooking. Oh, chicken. Ooh, some mash, some bacon wrapped asparagus. Right. Stop flirting with me. Damn. Sorry, Chad, is that loud for you guys? I will turn it down if it is, because the mic's like right next to it. It's Spain. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime being our first sub of the day, adding to the daily sub goal, my bro. Let me know if that's too loud, because I'm jamming with no headphones today. I may have been packing down last week, and my headset that I normally use outside took a nice swim in a puddle. And I gave it the dried, and then I gave it the dry in rice treatment, and yeah, they're not good no more. But yeah, I've started using my Corsair headset that I got given to me at TwitchCon. Main reason why I don't want to use them outside is because hashtag biggest Corsair glazer in the world. That's why I don't want to use them outside. Yo, Otto, thanks for getting someone a sub too, my bro. Oh, brother, yeah, like when it comes to if I'm ever traveling and I'm in areas where people will watch my stream, I'll definitely come say hello. I still gotta reply to an email the skill sent me. Her friend's a big fan of the stream, and I have a keychain. She just asked if I had one. Oh. What's up, your classic dupe? Nice name, brother. Okay. So I'm just setting up the other tripod and we'll get underway. But yeah, I'm ready to get this done, and it'll be good to start this next piece because it's a much larger piece too. So it's always good to change it up in terms of like the sizes of the mahi too. Alright. Can you hear the background sound as well? I have a fellow Kiwi friend, her name is Marley, bro. That was one name I wanted to have for one of my kids, bro, and unfortunately I can't because one of my wife's nieces is called Marley. It's like frick. I've always loved that name, eh? Just obviously, you know, listening to Bob Marley majority of my life. Wait, she does GTA roleplay too? Me too. What server is she on? Wait, true. Yeah, I played roleplay as well. My character's an asshole. Another baseball jacket. I've had it since 1995. My grandfather gave it to me way back then, pretty much. Hey, happy Father's Day. I know it's Father's Day in America. I'm not too sure when Father's Day is for us. But I've learned Maori people love Bob Marley and Nacho Libre. That is true. That is true. The eggs give me no eagle powers. These eggs were a lie, Skeleto. A lie. They give me no eagle powers. Yeah, I'm not sure when. Morning TikTok, morning, huh? Yeah, I'm not sure when Father's Day is here. I know they're all like different days of the year for everyone. Good morning, how are you? Sorry, I just gotta get a chisel before we start. Yeah, I'm not sure when Father's Day is for us. I always, you know, late to all the stuff. You're usually like, oh, is it? Name a Singapore edit, man. Who's sure you know? I mean, you can't go wrong with Bob Marley, eh? Can't go wrong with Bob Marley. The quarter pounder. Ah, yeah, you can't go wrong with Bob Marley in my opinion. I wish I could play his music on stream, but yeah, YouTube's quite strict with it, eh? So it would be safer not to. But Morena TikTok, how are you? What's even? Alrighty. So today is just going to be a little cleanup day today. That's all we really need to do, pretty much. Whakapaipai nā mahi. Clean up the work. She's on a server called Redline. She's oh true. But if you do RP and you know the rules and stuff, you get in. She's an admin. Oh true. We got one on the inside, boys. Redline RP. Like, hey, what's up, Elastic Man? Normally with RP servers, right? If people ask me and they want me to go and visit, I normally will. But if there's someone in there, much love, my brother Capybara gang. Hey, what's up, brother? Wando Dando. Shout out to the Capybara gang. Yo, thank you very much, Bass Reigns, for the Optimus Prime. Good morning, guys. Oh, we lagging. It's probably because I'm too far away from everything. Eid Mubarak. Oh, wait, is it? Is it Ramadan? Sorry if I'm wrong. Sorry. I don't really wield too much. I'm normally just, yeah, doing my thing. Hey, much love. Salam. So this is what we're up to. We're just cleaning up this handle pretty much. Dropped in to say hello. Oh, hello to you too. So I'm not carving in comfort today, guys. All my socks are dirty, so no Crocs today. Sorry. Which reminds me, looking at TikTok, I still haven't replied to that TikTok lady. Oh, not Ramones Ada. What's that? Can someone education me? Sorry for asking, but what is it exactly? So it's a hoi, a pedal. So there's the other end there, which is focusing more on the end of it. We've been working on this for a wee bit now, but we've come to like the end game of it all. So today's just gonna be a little cleanup day. If the day gets better, which it looks like it's going to, we'll stain. I don't normally like to stain on rainy days. It's not ideal. People and hand oh, true. Oh, that's a cool Whakairo. Yeah, man, I saw one of the saddest things yesterday that made my heart sink. It definitely, you know, made me hug my children a lot more harder last night. So me and my wife went to get some shopping, and I saw this we both saw this homeless lady, and my heart didn't sink till we saw a baby pop her head up, and I was I don't care, like, telling people this, but I'm pretty emotional when it comes to that kind of stuff, eh? Especially when you see a child. And it was getting colder and it started raining and it just made me think of them even more. Thank goodness there was a Rotorua page where they had put the baby and the mum in a hotel for the night. I was going to talk about it on TikTok last night, but I felt like, you know, it'd be wrong of me to do. But yeah, man, it my heart sank, man. Especially seeing the baby. And the hardest thing about it was, you know, the baby was happy. She didn't know what the mum was going through. It was, yeah. But thankfully there was a page and a lot of people were helping out. I wish I was in a position like most of these big streamers are to help people like that in those kind of situations. Like along the lines of, you know, Doc, not Nate shot everyone, you know, in those sorts of positions, but yeah. It is definitely hard. Thank you very much for the aroha on TikTok. Sorry about that. Holy cow, there's 2k people here. Hello. You have a good heart box? Ah, yeah. Just yeah. Definitely if you know, because there was a lottery draw in the country. There was like 50 million if you won. If I ever won that, man, I'd definitely, you know, use a lot of that money to try and help those in need. Obviously my family first, and well, would most likely just be my mum, to be honest, and first of all. But thankfully a lot of people came together to put their baby under a roof. 64? Was that your favorite number? Thank you very much for the aroha, guys. 19, I have no idea what you're talking about. I don't really do maths anymore. I stopped doing maths after I left school. Thank goodness.
I need you to oil this man right now.
Oh, Cranky Puppy, thank you very much for the 5 bomb, brother. And Bruno with the Optimus Prime before Cranky Puppy as well. Ngā mihi nui ki a kōrua, thank you very much. Kia ora, kia ora. If you got a gifted sub from Cranky, please give a thank you to him. Yeah, definitely, Duck. Ah, bro, it's definitely like something that's needed in our country right now, but you know, with the people that run the country right now, it's not what they want. That's why when everyone says I want to move to New Zealand, I'd say save yourself the trouble and don't. Find you are barking up the wrong mountain. Why I consider myself a mountain is because when you scream from the base of the mountain, the top of the mountain, don't hear it. And I'll be honest, I'm not hearing it. I'm not trying to hear it either. Battle Blade? Yeah. Yo, what's up? Jay, just Elijah? Did I say that right? That's a cool emote. Nei. So that's what we've finished. All of that there. Sadly, I can't stay. Oh, good Corey, bro. You gotta go sleep and you gotta do some more cooking, my brother. Do your thing, my man. Good to see you though, man. What do you make you look sick? It's a hoi, a pedal, so it's for a birthday. So we've finished all the designing. All the designing is done. And we're just working on the end of it now, just the handle. And after we finish that, and then we turn it over and just like clean all the machine marks that we might find all over the carving itself. What kind of voice is that? An AEG Superjaw. I'd rather have a table, to be honest. It's getting a bit low for me now, and doesn't help that I'm getting older and my back is getting sore. Oh man, you keep freezing up. Oh, do I? It's probably because I'm too far away from everything, eh? Hold up. Let me cook. Let me cook. I think I know what I have to do. One moment.
It's a sign. 5K could be closer than you think. Follow Bluebird socials for clues.
I just rolled the tripod back a bit more. Just to get closer to the Wi-Fi. I think I might be still a bit too far away. Let me know, guys, if I'm still too far away. Do you scoop the backside of it? Yeah. No, just to scoop it out. That's all. No, nothing to it really. Instead of it looking, you know, like a blank piece of nothing. So let me know if I'm still freezing up there, TikTok. No, thank you everyone that's gifted on TikTok too. I do apologize for missing it. Okay, I gotta ask all three chats, okay? Kaiju number 8, yes or no? I don't really watch other anime other than One Piece. But is Kaiju number 8 worth watching? Yes it is. Ooh, okay. Because I just saw the latest episode on, not the whole thing, but the main part where Brody saves everyone and they do the, you know, they do the, oh, nah bro, draws gun on friend, and I got a bit invested by that. I still gotta start watching Solo Leveling. I'll be honest, I feel like in the age I am now, I dress a lot like Andre. That's the guy who wears the island shirt, right? Kia ora means hello and thank you. Yeah, I heard it's good too, and I don't really go out of my way to watch any other anime because biased One Piece guy. But yeah, I did see that little snippet from Kaiju number 8 and I got a little bit invested by it. Thank you very much, Scott. Yeah, so how many episodes is there for Kaiju number 8? Does anyone know? And can anyone like give me a brief story on what it's about? I'm guessing kaijus. Anything I know about kaijus is Pacific Rim. Is it anything like that? Wait, no, it's not because I didn't see any robot. Is it anything like 10 episodes? Oh, that's not too bad. Big 1,000 for One Piece. I didn't take years long, eh? What part is this? The end of the handle, brother. Will the pedal ever be actually used? It's just a decorative one, my brother. I read the last manga of My Hero. Not gonna lie, I thought it was a bit corny. Just me. Sorry if I upset a whole fan base, but me personally, I thought it was a bit cornier than a corn dog, to be honest. And I haven't even had a corn dog before. Been going hard since they moved. Nice. You the mana of the islands? Well, me? No, I'm just one person, brother. We're all the mana of the island. That's something I can never, that's a comment I can never accept because we're all the mana of the island. Thank you very much for the aroha on TikTok. And you're a legend. I saw the video of using a tip and made my year. Oh, jeez, brother. Where are we? Corn dog, just a hot dog with corn. Isn't it just like a battered hot dog? Isn't that what it is? So, bro, how's Whakatane today? Oh, I don't know. I don't live in Whakatane. I live in Rotorua. Te Rotorua nui a kahumata momoe. Depending on my wife too, like if it ever comes to the day that we retire, I'd ask if she wanna, go back to her hometown and retire. Whenever that day may be, when we're like super old. Nick Minute's still working. Nick Minute's still working. My dad used to make toko toko for my mum's family. Start flyers with a good beginner's project. Yeah, toko toko is a walking stick. Yeah, there's different variations of toko toko, and if that's something you want to do, then go for it. I don't see why not. Oh, that's right. Maya was at a wānanga, eh? Forgot about that. Made this account just to mess with people. Oh. Oh, if that's what you want to do here, I'll probably... Yeah, I'm cheeky too, so I'll give it back. Let me know if that's too loud, chat. Yo, brother Kaya, how you been, bro? Long time no see, my brother. Hey, my bro, I've missed your streams. I hope you're well. Congrats on the marriage too. Hey, thank you, my bro. How you been, though? Long time no see, brother. Okay, I'm just gonna put the cameras up because I'm gonna do a little bit of drawing for your icon. Yeah, it's Macho Man Lion. But yeah, Thunder's working on some very loud for me. Okay, I'll turn it down. So Thunder's working on some more Feku emotes, so some carving ones. Marco Poe, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my bro. Didn't even bring me a Carl's Jr. home. Yeah, I forgot she was here. I was at a tangi most of the weekend. Thank you, King and Arzul. Sorry I haven't been paying attention much. I just really want to get this done. Kia ora, Brox. Hope you're well. What you're doing. Cheers, my bro. Stick that thing in some honey. That's what's those called again? Every time I see honey, I'm always reminded of Winnie the Pooh. I ain't gonna lie. So this is all we've done. Oh, sorry. And I might chuck a design on the top there. Still building my business. Oh, nice. I managed to get a house and have 2 work. Ooh, nice, yeah. Got you a whare, eh? Hold up. Just chuck a design in here. Continue to do your thing. Thank you, Tyler. Where are we? I've got to turn the volume down here. What island are you from? The North Island. Hey, what's up, Custom? How you doing, you bastard? Miss you, my bro. Hope you doing well. My character's on, in GTA's on a murderous spree because Chetty told him the mimes killed Peter. So he's out trying to clap all the mimes at the moment. Oh, bro, I can't wait for that. Is it the Sun Wukong game? Bro, that looks clean. Alright. You're stream gaming on Notebox now? Yeah, yeah. So I don't really stream games on my main channel anymore. Like, there'll be the odd occasion here and there. But majority of the time, yeah, I'll just be chilling, gaming on the other channel. I was just doing some fishing the other day. I like your artwork, brother. Thank you, Overchan. So I'm just gonna do a little design up here. Oi. Be careful now. Didn't know you had another. Yeah, it's just like where I do most of the gaming stuff now. I felt like I was gaming a bit too much on this channel. Fuck. And yeah, I just got told maybe like make another channel. And it's been good. It's been good. Like I've noticed that you know, a lot more people have been following the channel again. So I think over the last month, about 90,000 people unfollowed me. Thank you, the boys. Sorry, ignore that Cancer's Teats campaign because it's finished. Gotta go, Brox, don't split on any line. Cheer my bro. Thank you, Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie. Oi, thank you very much to Shells for the biddies. That's crazy. I know, bro. But I think it just went with like some of the DMs that I was getting to. Like I followed you to watch your wood carving, to not to watch you play games, and I just replied, it's like fair enough. It's your own life. You do what you want with it. Oh, I can feel a pinch in my back. Don't do this to me yet, back. Take a break and shit your back. Yeah, yeah. Nobody knows. Oh, nobody knows that you're a tier 3. Holy cow. Thank you very much for the brand new tier 3, brother. Nobody knows. Holy, just remember, you know, you're a tier 3. Feel free to cancel that at any time. Tier 3 is literally... What's that? That's like $50 or $60 a bro. That's like 4 packs of meat here. Thank you for the window, Jermaine and Eduardo. Looking good. Yeah, I'm just putting a little cheeky design on the top. what's up, Greenie? Oh yeah.
I need you to oil this man right now.
What in the actual Greenie? Greenie, what the fuck? Did you finish the birthday gift? Oh, this is it here. It's almost finished. Greenie, what the hell? Greenie just dropped a 50 bomb in the chat. Happy Father's Day. But that's America and the UK. Holy shit, my bro. Thank you very much to Moose for the Optimus Prime right behind Greenie as well. Greenie, thank you very much for the 50 bomb, brother. Okay, what does that gas mean? Greenie, what the? A father's a father regardless of where. That's true. Are you a dad too? My bro, thank you very much for the 50 bomb, brother. What the actual? Are you Samoan? No, I'm not. I'm Maori. What does gas mean? Not that I know. Thank you very much for the 50 bomb, Greedy. Holy madoli, my bro. The sub goal's back has literally been blown out. Gas is an American word for awesome or prime. Oh, okay. Yeah, because some young kid will say, bro, that's gas. I'm like, why is this dude calling me frickin' petrol or diesel? I don't compute. Thank you, Tony, and you're not found? Or found? I can't see the whole word. Do you believe they will achieve artificial general intelligence? I hope not. I've seen all the Terminators. And I've seen iRobot. Do it when I'm gone. Next thing you know, it'll be like that scene from Transformers when the frickin' appliances turn on you. Do it when I'm well and truly gone into the next life. Thank you very much, Greenie. Bro, that's on level 9 hype train. Thank you very much, my bro. What country are you from? Aotearoa, New Zealand. Yeah, nah, I hope we don't, make, you know, artificial intelligence. Obviously, you know, there's rich ball bags out there that are trying, but I know they're trying to start a revolution like Cool did. Next thing you know, in the future there'll be a robot that'll be going, my name is Wipo 5000. I am here to clean your rectum.
I need you to oil this man right now.
Yo, Anonymous, thank you very much for the 5 bomb. Bro, tell me who you really are, my bro. I need to commission a shield or a pedal. A shield? Something for my office. Yeah, yo. Well, once I finish this, and the next carving, like 2 more carvings after this whole commission, then I'll put an announcement out that we're opening up for commissions. Bro, I'll be honest, bro, there's been like 5 people that have asked for a pedal or a hoy. And I'll be honest, I'm kind of open to doing more hoy because it's been a while since I've done them. It's been a long time since I've done a lot of them. Remember to hydrate, that is true. Why piss yellow when you can piss transparent? That means you're drinking more good water levels. Well, unless yellow is your favorite color. Sorry, where you from? I'm from Rotorua, my bro. It's legit like it's a town that smells like rotten eggs due to all the sulfur and all the geothermal geyser spouts are connected to Yellowstone in America. So if they blow up, we got about an hour to vacate before this place blows up. Yeah, that's where I live. Rotten eggs is my favourite color. It's like my daughter, man. She's really into her veggies, especially asparagus. And I was oblivious as I walked into the bathroom, like before I went to bed, and I went, "Whoa, stinkers!" And then I just hear my daughter giggling in her room. Kia ora, bro. I love Maori culture. Can I get tamoko without offending Maoris? Yes, you can. But just remember, the first thing you should do is look at the moko artist work. Yo, Aero Captain, thank you for the 3,000 biddies, bro. Thank you, my bro. Your jacket needs a little bit of... Yeah. I've had it since 1995. It definitely does, my bro. My grandfather gave it to me way back then. And I've just held on to it ever since, pretty much. Chad, what should I train today? I don't train chest on Mondays because every other person and their dog does. What should I train today? Like to be like you one day? Just be a good version of yourself, brother. I think what we should all strive for is to be better than what we were the other day, yesterday. Do legs on Mondays? Yeah, normally I do legs on Monday too. But I might change it up. Back and shoulders? Yeah, bro, I love doing back, eh? And then when you see the back pump, and then the pump goes away. Ooh. Train telekinesis. Are you going to play War Within? I will, most likely will, my brother. Warning, why? Yeah, I'll most likely level my warrior first, like that's what I always do. Level the sentimental character first. Nah. Yeah, I think all we all should strive for is to be better than the version we were yesterday. Che, brother Kuro, morena, my bro, morena. see. It's a mystery. My love just won't set me free. What's up, Trev? What in a? Seem like you would be the best dad or I'm still learning. Like I've been a father for 6 years, but you know, there's always new things to learn. I'm a fun cool. I'm the fun uncle. Like my godson. He when I have him, I normally he spoil their little egg. Tāmaki ma COVID. Oh, tēnā kōrua. Koutou. Mihiana kia tāmaki ma COVID. Passing by before going to sleep, that's the one, Dominic. Go to sleep, my bro. I, for one, had a good sleep. Hello from Ukraine, tēnā koe. Shout out from Sydney Isles on the way back to work. Very calming. Oh, chill eyes. Just make sure you're keeping an eye on the road. If you're driving. It'll be pretty early in Sydney, eh? Jiggy's probably waking up soon. You play any rugby? Not anymore, brother. Now head to bed. Nice. I wish I had an uncle like you. Oh, bro, I wish I had an uncle that was, you know, funny as well. And kind. My uncle was an asshole. He's not an asshole anymore because, you know, I'm twice his size now and he's old, but yeah, he was an asshole to me and my other cousin. What's up, Zija? What's up, Techless? How you, my brother? They looked mad at first, guys. Yeah, my uncle wasn't, you know, the nicest uncle. Kia ora, Endless, how you, my bro? And also the Glutch for the Optimus Prime. Have you played Helldivers 2? I haven't played it in a while. Like, I won't lie, after a while it just got a bit tedious. Is that the word? Just doing the same thing over and over again. I think the best way that I started enjoying it was just going into like on the hardest difficulty and just going solo. Do you have a Spotify playlist? I do. Oh, it's on my phone though. What's he doing? I'm just carving a handle, brother. But what I do is Whakairo. Maori wood carving. I'll show you what when I'm finished. Just done a cheeky little design on the top of the handle just to finish it off. Just a cheeky little something. gratitude. Oh, cheers, man. Yeah, so that's all we did there. And you see the design. Instead of just having rings all the way, I thought I'd just check something cheeky at the top there. You see? So the whole thing. Yo, Dave P, thank you for the Optimus Prime. Kia ora, my bro. Thank you, Kenny. Let there be sound. I think my mic's got Mondayitis. There we go. Sorry about that, Chad. My mic just. How the hell did my live get TikTok? I do apologize if my live ends. Apparently, my live got flagged for hate speech. I have no idea how. Maybe a tree reported me, I don't know. Discard region, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. Thank you. I don't know why, but yeah, this is, yeah, I have no idea why my live just got flagged for hate speech. Maybe it was a tree. Interesting, very interesting. People trolling, yeah. I mean, it is the internet. Maybe their Uber Eats or their DoorDash, you know, didn't deliver their food, so they're taking it out on someone else. That could be the case, you never know. Yeah, big dangerous insects where you live. The biggest insect we have in our country is the weta. And I wouldn't say it's that dangerous. It's ugly, but you know, I don't think I've seen one handsome looking or pretty insect other than a butterfly. Maybe it was a tree. Yeah, probably. Shit. Alright. Let's get rid of some more machine marks. Okay. Down. Okay. Love your work. Thank you, brother Dave. Kia te ropu. It's tūhaurangi. Tūhaurangi nā tīwāhi. Kia ora from Australia. Morena, morena. How are we over in Ahitereiria? Morning, have a lovely day, bro. You too, Sky. You have a lovely day too. Except that one tree they reported our stream for hate speech. So what I'm up to now is just taking off some machine marks. So that's all I'm going to do now. So it's going to be a lot of surfs up, find the board type stuff. I'll try not to go into trance too much. Hey, much appreciated for the roses too, guys. They're true and beast. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Can you not send the machine marks? Yeah, but I don't want to do that. Sanding it down creates some more work, and this was nice and therapeutic for me too. Won't take me long. Thank you for the rose, Billy. Tēnā koe. And Zachary, did I say that right? Zachariah? I'm looking forward to the wood carving again. Do you have any advice or tips? I think the main one would be like take your time, you know, go at your own pace. And if you're learning from someone, just take it all in. Before you make up, you try to learn your own processes, learn theirs and their teachings first, and utilize it. Like when, for example, when my uncle started teaching Whakairo at school, back when I was 12, There was that one student that thought he knew more than my uncle. There was always that one, and the project we were carving was a wakahuia, a simple, relatively simple, like simple project, and but old mate thought, he was better than all of us and tried to add more stuff to his carving, and yeah, he had cut right through and split the whole thing. And my uncle just looked at it and he went, "That's why you need to listen." Won't say who it is, but yeah, it was. Let's just say we all started at level 1. Mans was trying to start at level 5 and outdo us all. He was trying to outdo all of us. And yeah, unfortunately, his project split in half because he wasn't watching his timber, like the depth, all those things to consider. And yeah, unfortunately, we all passed except him. Thank you for the rose, Aussie Ragnar. Oh, cheer, bro. We were working the energy break you put up. Small face spray. Hey, much love, brother. I'll show you the other side soon. I just want to get like all these marks off, and then we'll be good. Are you from India? No. Are you from Australia? No. What's up, Kiryu? Bro, what's the longest time you've carved for in one sitting? 12 hours. And I was cooked after that. It was a deadline carving and a short notice one. And yeah, we had, I don't know how many hours. I think it was 12. I know we started at 8 o'clock in the morning. And we finished at just shy of 12 in the evening. And I was mentally drained, spiritually drained. I was fatigued as, and when I got home, bro, I just shut down and went to sleep. I think I slept most of the day. A majority of us that worked on the project did. So I decided to join the group for Maori carving because they did. Oh yeah. Nah, good on you, Endless. That's the one, brother. Thank you, Papa Skim. Is that it? You can tell by the accent he is from Norway. After stream today, chat, me and my wife are gonna go for a little bit of a walk. So my mum, she went to go and get some doctor's tests done, and she found that she had high blood sugar levels. If she carries on the way she does, it'll end up being, the inevitable diabetes. So I made the decision for me and my whānau to help support her. So, like what she has to do really is just, eat properly, which we started doing already. I was surprised though because she eats relatively well. She eats veggies and everything. So I was really surprised by it. Do you have any other hobbies aside from carving? Gym, listening to music. Sometimes I'll just chill out and like just vibe to music before bed. Singing. Um, Obviously being a gamer as well, you know. I manned up and asked out a very good. But I don't think she noticed. I think in that sense, my bro, it's best just to let that be in the past and move on. Obviously, you know, there are moments in our lives where we may show, you know, a bit of vulnerability. There's nothing wrong with that too, in my opinion. But I think something to take from that is just, you know, move on. Move on as hard as it may be and keep like investing time into yourself. Trust me, I've had a few moments like that too, my bro. I've had many like that, to be honest. Beautiful work, thank you. You're wearing socks in those boots? Nah, just raw dog in it. Didn't want to waste time, so I just put them on and come outside. I normally wear Crocs when I'm carving, but I don't have any socks, so I think I better invest in some each. I'll be honest, I only have like 3 pairs of socks. Have you watched Dragon? No, what's that? Or was that a dick joke? I have asparagus and just so bad anxiety, so it's really difficult to reach out. I have moved on, but I feel embarrassed myself. Ah, it's part of life, brother. When it comes to those moments in life, my bro, when we look back, we just, you know, have a little giggle to ourselves when we go through those moments, eh? Like even myself, when I used to look back at those moments before I met my wife, I just, you know, have a laugh. Alright. It's Makariri in Sydney. Cheer, my bro. Greetings from Norway. I tried checking the Instagram first, but what kind of wood are you using? It's a form of, I think it's like Cody? Kotara maybe? I forgot what the bro said to be honest. So after this, yeah, after this, then we'll after this, then we'll turn it over, do the back, turn it back over, do the eyes. Oh, what's the game you play, my bro? Also, chat, I've come across what Call of Duty is it? And you make your own emblem. I came across so Call of Duty algorithm hit my account and just the amount of like just the level of detail like Call of Duty players went to creating their emblems. Holy! I watched one guy do Venom. Um, watched another guy do Jack and Dexter. They're like super detailed, like super detailed. Hey, what's up, brother? Way? Alright, let's do this. Hope you guys don't mind me, you know, honing in on this right now, guys. Blue sky, midnight sun, and northern Norway. Oh, yo, yo. Ooh. Whoa. Once again, chat, trying to find the board. Sorry, guys. There's a lot of like boring things that people might see that I have to do throughout some carvings as well. Like it's not the biggest piece of progress, but it's like necessary progress. What are you listening to? Oh, just Kapaka. Kapaka, my bro. It's necessary progress. Yo, what's up, Shadow? Kind of watching you carving. Can you couple of koe? Tēnā koe. That's what I need to do too. See where my girls' poi skills are at. Help them out. Oh! Oh my, haere mai. Watching from north of Ireland. Hey, brother. Watching from Mars. Oh, you got shit reception up there, eh? Whew. I think I'm getting sick, so I do need to go to the gym today. Hey, up the Cubs. What's up, brother JT? Thank you for the 50 months, my bro. Get up the Cubs. Hope you had a great Father's Day. Hey, happy Father's Day to you too, my bro. Yeah, I know it's we all celebrate Father's Day on different days, but yeah, I know obviously with what Greenie said, it is Father's Day, and happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. And also wanna, tuku mihi to all the mothers out there too. All the mothers holding it down for their kids. All the single mums out there. Can't imagine, what it's like, but e nari e mihi ana ki a koutou katoa. Kia ora, Aaron. Stay outside of the asteroid belt. I nā mihi ki ngā pāpā katoa. Me nā māmā hoki, holding it down for their kids. Yeah, so I'm doing a hoi, sorry. Not so much to be used though. So it's just it's a decorative piece for a birthday. Some fuck, I love this song. So it's kind of just like some, consider 21st key. Some waswa carving, kind of like that. Whenua, Always so happy to see you. Hey, what's up, Triple Nine, my G? Single parents are superheroes. Actual facts. I 100% agree with that. As someone who was raised by a single mother majority of his life, no matter how hard it got, she held it down. I hope that one day I can repay the aroha, the love she did for me. Some me's happy Father's Day. Something not a lot of people think about unless they've lost a loved one. Very true. That's very true. Like majority of when I was born, like my father wasn't around long until he left. He left before my sister was born. And seeing a lot of it, as a young kid, it was obviously I didn't know what the hell was going on, but I guess you never forget the look of a person's face as a kid, and that's how I still remember that day when my mum was some type of way. But happy Father's Day. Yeah, I'm a father of two, my bro. I got two beautiful girls. So that means I renew my gun license when they turn 13. And get a bloodthirsty dog and some cactus. So put the dog out in front of their window and the cactus too. What is saying in the background? Oh, he's just talking about a haka group that finished after 50 years, but he's also talking about how the remnants of some of the performers decided to join other groups. Thank you very much to, hey, Brother Kiriru, what's up, my bro? Thank you for the 2 years, my bro. 2 freaking years. But that is a long time, my bro. Thank you very much to Anonymous gifting a sub to Miss Princess as well. And I'm Hinuki, Miss Princess, for the biddies as well. What do you usually go by? Tuhoi and Te Arawa. I have others, but, I normally just acknowledge the tribes I grew up in. I don't really get down with those, those trying to have whakapapa in every single rohe, but don't even live there. after this, after we've done all of this, then we'll do the eyes, and we might look at staining it. Yo, custom, my bro. Thank you for the Optimus Prime for 16 months, brother. Thank you, my bro. Bombastic. Thank you for the glasses too. And Judo, kia ora. What's up, Saeed Nachos? Where are you from in New Zealand? A small town called Ruatahuna, but I'm also from Rotorua as well, where I currently live. Alright, almost there, guys. Easy. Hey, appreciate that, my bro. Have a good stream, brother. You too, Bombastic. You have a good day too, brother. Thank you for the kia. Hamirua. Did I say that right? Tēnā koe, Hamirua. The man, the myth, the legend. Kia ora, kei te pēhea koe, how are you? Well, Chad, I tried to, I went to the gym the other day, and I was going to start doing some recordings, but I'll be honest, man, I don't know how people do it, eh? I don't know how people can do it, man. It's like set a tripod up and do all of that stuff. I don't know, man. I just can't. I'll feel like a bit of a dickhead if I did that myself. Peace and health, brother. Have a good stream. See you soon. Cheer, my bro. Have a good one. I was gonna, do some recordings just to see where my strength is at, and if I couldn't bring myself to do it. Could not bring myself to do it. Yo, what's up, Springbok? What's up, Papi Chulo? So I'm almost done cleaning up the back. Just this little section here and one short row, and then we can turn it over and show you what I've been up to. What's your favorite band? LAB. LAB is one of my favorite bands. Biased too, because they're local. Who else? Coterie. Coterie is another band, but they're Maori boys who live in Australia. Who else? I'm trying to think. A lot of local bands, my bro. The Black Seeds. I always vibe to the Black Seeds, no matter how old their music is. I'd play it on stream, but because I'm streaming on YouTube, I'd rather not. You go Watimba, Tōtara. I thought it was Cody, but it's Tōtara. Bonnie Lee, thank you for the donut. Kia ora, Bonnie. And the perfume. And the manawa girl. But my gym jams that I've been vibing to lately has been T-Pain. Ooh, I can't believe it. Hope you have a lovely day. You too. You too, Bonnie. Have a good day, girl. Aotearoa kia koe. Beautiful. Kia koe. Te toropo. Hei akina ai. Awhiro atu ki whenua ke e iwi ke. Yo, what's up, Terminator? It's our local EMS in the chat. Pounamu. Do you do custom orders? I only do Whakairo, Maori wood carving. What country are you in? Aotearoa, New Zealand, brother. Thank you for the window, no name. Are you in? I have no idea what that is. No, you gotta give me the full word. I'm in Rotorua. I'm staying for long. Hey, appreciate that, my bro. All good. Which reminds me, I gotta go to town and get a mileage. Uenuku kopako. How are you so good at this time? Didn't get it in one day, that's for sure. So like, you know, you play a game for so long, you get good at it. You been doing this since I was 12. 12 years old, my bro. And there's still, you know, a lot to learn. Every day is a learning day, pretty much. I met you. Oh, hey. With the Club Tito's crew. Yo, yeah, good to meet you, bro. It was cool hanging out with Tito's crew. I wanna get a Club Tito's shirt. Cause I really like you know what you guys are about. Especially talking big bloke about it. Fuck, he's huge, eh? He's freaking huge, bro. Happy Father's Day from Canada. Happy Father's Day. Sad that there's no BlizzCon this year, but hopefully next year is a good one. I got invited to a Blizzard event next month, which is an email I need to reply to, but I can't attend because same day as honeymoon. That time, dude. Hey, thanks, brother. This is confronting. Oh, you all good? Wish you all the best. Cheer, brother. Trash bash. Nazi Fatu. Cheer this way. One of my old teachers is from. He went to Tipini. Are kātera maihi. Cuts. They announced a shitload of things at BlizzCon. I'd be surprised if they had anything. Yeah, that's true. Especially with the World Soul Saga. Because from what Daddy Metzen was saying was he wanted them to be a year. That's how long he wanted like he was the one that actually presented the World Soul Saga to the creative board, and they're like dubbed TF at the start because I got to sit down and have a talk to some of the workers. But yeah, they were all in for it, and it was Chris Metzen that brought that idea forward. And I thought that was pretty buzzy. Thought that was like, hey yo. You know you're finna help everyone. Who's that? Daddy Midson. Oh, what's up, brother Hardhead? Bro, I was smashing fish in the game last night. Did a few bit of RP last night. I can't really do much. I was supposed, needless to say, my character was supposed to hang with his mate from ADMC last night because they were might be on the brink of war, and he was doing other things. Bro, I was howling at the street team stuff too, especially Bobby Porter. Does Bobby Porter stream, bro? Bro, he's funny. Much planned today. I want to get this all done. Then after this, after stream, the thing I look forward to after stream is lunch. Bro, why do these private priv accounts send like some real Pepega comments? Watch my private video. I'll do you one better. I'll do you one better, private account. This is what I want you to do. And I say this as Brox Woodcarver / Cheeky Guy. I say this, so this is what you do. Link in bio. Click on the Twitch link. Hit the purple button underneath my stream. Never mind your OnlyFans account. Link in my bio, not yours. Is this the last stream? Yeah, could be the last stream for this. If not, it will most likely be tomorrow. And saying that, Thursday I can't stream Thursday. I have a Twitch ambassador meeting on Thursday that I have to attend, and unfortunately it's at it's at 10 o'clock, so it's right on prime hours when I'm normally streaming. And I just noticed my laptop wasn't taking power this whole time and the battery's almost run out. There it goes. Cool flat. I forgot to keep an eye on the power. Shit. Thank you very much, Dos Nicholas, for the Optimus Prime. Okay, I'll just play my wedding jam once.
Say hi to Bob, the modern HR platform.
Not Bob though. Just play my wedding jam once. YouTube, don't bite me in the ass. Oh shit! This is my wedding jam. My baby. I give it my time, my love, to praise you when no one's ever been. In my heart of hearts, I know I will be vulnerable. It took a while for me to ever feel like this again. Thank you very much for the gifts on TikTok. Oh, that's a cool emote. Is that yours, Princess? Sincerely yours from now until the moment I can't breathe. And if it may seem to sound just like a dream, please don't The D2 raid race. Oh, is it on now? Have you got it? Surely show us. I still need to finish the story. Have you started playing? I might jam D2 on the alt channel tonight. I got stuck at when you have to do the lights and the dark fountains when you're trying to get to the ship. So I ain't really that far. Friends from Hawaii? Yeah, I mean, I might give them a follow. Thanks for cheers. Sign up one. Complete. This was my first dance song with my wife. But it was a song I'd been singing like for months. I can't breathe. And when you're gone, I feel alone. I wish that you would be by my side. That you should know that even though we lie on you for your right or die, I wouldn't want any other by my side. That's how we always should. Oh, sorry, just bonked the camera. Started it, went to buy it, and my bloody gym membership went out. Oh. Give us your Steam, my bro. I'll get it for you. Sincerely yours from now until the morn. I can't breathe. What do you play, Hunter? Eh? Yeah. Ooh, ooh. Oh man, I love listening to Fiji. Been a Fiji fan since I was young. I te wā e tamariki tonu ana hau. Get on dumb epic games because most of my oh, true. I thought you would have been in Steam. You're amazing, Brooks. You're amazing. Thank Aries. Did I say that right? GFG Hoville, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my bro.
I'm sorry. Listen. Right. Vinny, tell him, man.
Watch your fucking mouth.
Tell that bitch that I'm Shanghai. 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 Know what it is when you see me.
Thank you very much, GFG. Far, oh, we've had a crazy day. Bloody Greenie coming in. And everyone before and after. Thank you very much for the Aloha today on Twitch, Whānau, and also on TikTok as well. 2.2 when Flippy's involved.
Mario as well, let's go. Randy and Rami got the cops on the road. Say here's CG and they respond like a vote. President P, I'm Barack Obama. Gang had your boy feeling like his El Chapo. Feds saw me and tried to empty the ammo. Man down when they saw Chama and Taco. Tell that bitch that I'm Shanghai. 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 Know what it is when you see me. Chain on my neck says CG. You know what it is when you see me. Chain on my neck says CG. Warning, you're falling for autumn. Touch your chain, you'll be dead by the morning. Holding it down, Hayes got bashed, shook, feds dove with a breach, got the whole clique yawning. Big Anto, you know what he's about. We whipping and pushing when Nova's around. When you hear that sound, you better get down. That's only crack ground. Might see you cheer, come around in a bit. When it's business shit, got Garrett in the whip.
That buck on me. Oh no, what happened, my bro? Hey, what's up, Chips? What happens if you make a mistake? We don't make mistakes, brother. We make adjustments. Sometimes, you know, it's good to see perfection. The perfection and imperfection, if that makes any sense. It's like Bob Ross said, eh? Happy little accident. I leave it there, to be honest, my bro. We don't make mistakes, we make adjustments. We adapt and we move on. So twerking emotes allowed now. I should know this, but yeah, I don't really follow some of the TOS updates, I'll be honest, as a Twitch ambassador.
If you really check it, there's no like grime for years.
Yeah.
You know, obviously you had the underground man them that was still.
5 years later, I'm dropping a remix, bro, fell off and it really shows. Career was made by that tune with JP, think it's called Blitz, don't take my phone. Walk in your house and it all looks empty, Tyrone screams like, where did it go? That one there could have done with a remix, call that bitch, don't take my home. Chip on your shoulder, man of the world, can't blame you, Benji, took your girl, and you still dig right him, give us a 12. No damn well that you're gonna look back one day, this belief how the company.
Twerking figure emote? Nah, I'm good. I think that would be too tapu for that. Nah, I can't do that. It'll feel too wrong. Here we go, twerking figure emote. Hell no.
Good try, my brother, it's over. You should put that chain on the shelf. Oh wait, they never got a chain. I forgot about that one still. In a crew with a man that took your chick, that's Tyrone 22. Denzel living in your head rent free to this day, got a 2-bed flat with a view. Stabbing her back, that shit must hurt. You wanted this, look what you made me do. Took this long for a response, still took it out to what I made into. Left by JP, left by Mando, left by Ash.
Yeah, nah, I don't think I could do that, my bro. Not even lying.
Don't believe me, ask Carmella. Had him checking bang record for the cheddar. That ain't no king, that's a honey fella. How you gonna diss Wu Chang then sign with them like 1 year layoff? This bitch ain't a man of his word since way back when, been folding like paper. Must be rough when I shoot my pen, no ex-gang rough can save her. If you are the king of the game and the standards are low, you can call me the savior. Say you are the GOAT, you're getting old and tired. Ain't 96 no more, this pussy should retire. I send my warning shots, and now it's time to file. Check your stats on Spotify, your page is getting drier. Think you can get it in the ring with me without auto-tune. You can't sing my G, spell manners wrong, missed opportunity. Eating bars, don't hit up on your puny beat. You can't rap this rap and get through the street. It's true, you're known to fold, you only view your
Probably not fun. Cheers, my bro. Thank you, Will. I wanna start Whakairo or try and see what I think. With my Maori or my Supino, and it's a long process. Yeah, brother, it's all just investing time into it, and then everything will fall into place, my bro. Ooh, hold up. Song name? What's the name of this? It's a No Pixel song. Most of the songs I jam is Cool Money and or the No Pixel artists. Yeah, it's called King's Dead OTT Response. It's by Lewis, one of the Manor boys. What the hell Arnie Dog is doing?
What's going on? SK, my boy? You saying, man? I'm saying, bro, man. On my way back, you know what I'm saying? Been away a minute, flying back to the city. What's good, my bro?
I'm chilling, bro. I'm just in the booth. This is an OTT right now.
You should try to get a small part in No, I don't need to. They've already chosen all the cast, brother. I mean, I should have, but there's no harm in trying. But I'm good. I'm good. See, the voice of Moga is the chief, eh? John Tui. I was buzzing when I saw him in the cast. I was buzzing when I seen John Tui voicing Moga in Overwatch.
I see you, P-Money. Hang on, wait, who, me? That's weird, I wasn't here. Who the fuck did you see? OTT, the king of acting, no OC. SK chill, let me smoke this old OG. Cause Wu Chang came out in like 2021. Don't tell Benji, that was like 2021. Don't take my phone, again, 2021. I mean, shit, you ain't had a hit since 2021. Your ego's just enormous, bitch. You ain't got the big brains. Leaving your gang behind the cloud, it's just a bit lame. Tyrone, you're known as Steve Irwin from this day. Cause you're the first to die when I splash out in Stingray. Why you keep mentioning me? It must be fear. Love songs about chicks you ain't with, kinda weird. Hating on my songs, next you be hating on my beard. Is it cause I'm bigger than you and I'm hardly here? You ain't got the sauce to be with Ash. I found Cream Pie remix while I was emptying the trash. I can't lie, you should have renamed the whole track to Woman. Cause the fanny part was great, but the rest of it was ass. You ain't immaculate king, you back in
I
the
will
ring,
admit
not
this
two.
is not the kind of music I expected to listen to. Oh, bro. As someone who grew up listening to the real Slim Shady, don't be surprised, brother. That's why I laugh at Gen Z, how they're like trying to cancel Eminem. I was like, bro, the things he's saying is pretty like to what he used to say. Jesus loves you and coming soon. How do you know? Did you get a text?
Straight ignore SK like you don't know how this shit goes. It's 2024, wake up, you ain't big bro. You said Wu Chang was full up of whack artists, but I've seen you ain't got more listeners than the bimbos. Blamed Wu Chang and told everyone avoid us. You spreading propaganda, thought you was out.
Nah, I appreciate you, Hardik. Bro, you can do anything you put your mind to, my bro, and that's not me referencing Eminem either. Hey. You go to the power inlays will go. They'll go in there. And she'll be good. Work on these eye sockets a bit more. 2021, I mean shit, you ain't had a hit since 2021. Oh, it's starting to rain again. Cheerio, Genghis. So we got all the eye sockets done. which is good. Do you live in NZ? I do, brother. I do. Yeah, it might be a staining day tomorrow. But remember, the staining days don't necessarily last that long. It's gonna be a lot of chatting as we literally watch timber dry. I think after the meeting on Thursday, because I've got a Twitch ambassador meeting on Thursday, I think I'll use, because I won't be streaming during the day, I'll use that free day to go and mill this timber. If you're wondering where the next piece of timber is, it's pretty much here. It's like right behind the camera. I do apologise too, TikTok, if I'm missing a lot of stuff. Most of my focus kinda goes into this, and I do tend to miss a lot of things, and I want to say sorry about that in advance.
First sign I got started with the meth. Gave them a spot and how to build the rep. Showed Moses and Petard, then I showed the rest. Drove past to make sure it was push correct. Any problems came up, I put them to bed. If I wasn't cooking, I was always looking out for them. At the end, everybody got paid out, but not me, fuck's sake, how could you forget? Another sign started with materials. It weren't a secret what I did with the materials. Dean started asking me about materials.
So what we need to do... So normally when I do the eyes, I normally do it off stream. It doesn't even take that long. Like easily a couple minutes. That day I knew my position. Had to do my thing, get a new mission. I ain't wrestling with none of my friends, but I just gotta remember. Tommy Cruise came to meet me on some road shit. I told him what I just gotta remember to take a photo. They asked me if I could get a whole brick. I did exactly that. Because that's what I forgot to do with Coil's piece. Forgot to take a bloody photo. He went off the radar, brick went bad. I took the L, I just never got the money for it. This song is for people when the times are dark. Remember not to take everything to heart. Even when it's going good at the start, you never know how it finishes. It's to watch you on Twitch now, you're popping up on TikTok. Cheers, brother Marky. I'm live on TikTok, Twitch, and YouTube, my bro. Oh. He's gonna put it by the front door and the entrance. He's putting it
living in the shadow of the rich and powerful.
Oh, what the hell? Skip Ed.
If you really check it, there's no like grime thing.
Yo, I was gonna ask him for a photo when he put it up, but I decided, nah, it's all good. Because it was more so to post up, and you know, I don't wanna post a picture of his front door, if that makes sense. Too many papagas out there, man.
I remember how I started out. I'm talking way back, man. I was sleeping on the sofa inside a studio flat. I had nothing to my name. My bank account was 5
Hello, my friends. Still, you too, Choco.
I was down to 2 racks. I could barely buy food. I had no job to make it back. I see some gangsters in the night. valley looking like they're hiding straps. I carried on riding past when they left, I went back. Found a Uzi or a Mac, my memory ain't exact. Riding round the south side, I had a gun put to my face. Pepper wearing motherfucker, had a voice with loads of bass. Said mind bro, I'm stepping and told me all about the place. Man said his name was Mando, that's my boy up to this day. Back outside apartments, people looking like who is this? Never mind me, just a brother for some heard a British accent with studio busting lyrics. I think that was the first time I met Cap and Wicked.
We all start at the bottom. Nothing's gonna make me stop. Can't see.
I was rolling around with Zelda, little homie had my back. We were stealing local cars and then exchanging them for mats. I got introduced to Flippy and Vinny, man, I was gassed. I was paying off my loans, I was making loads of cash. Fatar, Moses and Dean, man, them days
We're all
were the
set.
best. We could
We're
go
all
inside
set.
the Wu-Chang and then he fucking left. But I stayed to make a difference, I ain't got any regrets. Made the mill from making tracks, money printer in the flesh. Mario picked me up and
Told me all about the meth.
had me cooking in the lab, doing beat runs and all the rest. Built a hustle with Fatar, started exchanging connects. Bro, we had some mini pillows, could've started selling beds. Nearly got caught in the lab, that shit was such a mess. Then we had to buy tables, and that shit had no effect. That dream got put to bed, like fuck it, what's next? I could go on, but I need another song to say the
We
rest.
have to so I've got to do this. Got to do this. Then the Maya, and then that's that commission done. I do want to make a tonga tuoro. Hey, what's up, bro? How's the weekend? Yeah, just spending it with one of my grandfathers who passed away, but it's all good though. But there it is. Yeah, it's most likely going to be a staining day tomorrow. How's the painting going with the sun? But he's getting pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. He's getting pretty good. That fun is good. Yeah, we're all good. He was in a home, but yeah, his health wasn't the greatest. Oh yeah. Alrighty. So we've done. So we got all of that done, the handle done today. So I'm just going to show you TikTok first, Twitch and YouTube. Put a bit of a design on the end. You can see. Got our eyes ready. Get that clean. Yeah, I just wanted to put a cheeky design on the end of it. Just waist doing rings all the way around. But yeah, this pedal is pretty much quality, and we'll have a staining day tomorrow. How are you in a jacket? Because I've got a Nami shirt on, that's why I don't want a shirt. It's the only t-shirt I had out of all the one-piece shirts I got. It's probably the one shirt I don't wear. Looking amazing chair, brother, how that? That's how we're in winter. We're in winter here in Aotearoa. This thing is sick. Thank you, brother. Yeah, so this is for a birthday. So this is pretty much done. As I mentioned, I didn't want to do the head like my uncle's one, because I wanted his one to outshine mine a bit more, you know. Yeah. I do. So this is the one my uncle did before he passed away. Once again, the Twitch as well, Twitch and YouTube. Yeah. So I wanted, even though, you know, I wanted my uncle's one to have more of a showcase than mine. So I kept it simple. Or as simple as I could. Yeah. I try to keep it as simple as I could. So the face on this is called a ruru. Here. So it has like 3 faces in one. And this one is a whiku. So ruru. And a whiku. Name a candidate. I feel like those comments are lies because heaps of people have come in and I've gone to their profile later and they haven't done it. Tell the truth. Why is it called a whiku? It's just one variation to another. Are you Samoan? No, I'm Maori. I'm Maori. Yeah, it's gonna be a staining day tomorrow. Hopefully the weather is not too bad. Once again, I don't really like staining on rainy days. So we're hoping to have a good day tomorrow. If it's like this, then it's good. Then Payana. But tomorrow we'll start off with a little bit more. We'll look over it one more time. Just to make sure, you know, it's clean, kopai. Make sure it looks okay. So there's no doubt, if you will. Well, incredible work, thank you guys. Can't wait to get my first carving. Oh, mean bro, that's the one. And my iPad just died. That's how I was playing music today. Greetings from New York. Kia ora, bro. How's it over in the Big Apple? Why is it called the Big Apple, by the way? Just 'cause? I've never actually thought about that. I need some comfortable walking shoes too. Anyone got suggestions? Because doing long walks in Crocs ain't it? It ain't it. Yo, thank you very much to Bazim for the 6 months as an Optimus Prime. Kia ora, my bro. I always drop it. Hey, appreciate that, my bro. Kia ora, kia ora. Crocs is what I use. Yeah, I feel like it's not the go for me when it comes to like walking and hiking. Especially when I got a heavy foot. Yo, what's up, Kevin? My dad swears by Nike runners. Oh yeah. Skechers, yeah, I heard Skechers have got good soles on them. Skechers, kia ora, Mitch. It's not hot here. Yeah, so we're currently in winter now. I believe it'll be London, the UK or Europe and America going into summer. I think they're great. I have big feet. Yeah, that's the problem with me and new shoes is I got wide feet. I have been told that Asics are good too. Horse racing circuit, the big. Oh, okay. Che. Thank you very much, Dylan and Booty Balls. Okay, dude. Okay, my bro. What's up, big dog? Hey, what's up, kids? 9 views, bro. Fell off. It's all good, bro. Are you trying to upset me? Hey, what's good, Ember? I have wide feet as well. Yeah, that's the problem when that's probably why I don't really get much shoes these days, just 'cause wide feet problems. Hey, what's up, Cody? Good morning from the UK. Morning, brother. Morning. Okay, let's look at Twitch. Yeah, what are those repath? What are those for? That's those power up things, right? You're in Auckland? Hell no. I'll be honest, I could never live in a city that's go 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 all the time, because you know the way I love to live life is slow and steady, pretty much. Slow and steady for me, man, and yeah, I can't do it. Sure, from Taupo, kia ora. From where's everyone from right now? From Taupo, Switzerland. Where else? We got Auckland. Auckland sucks, bro. Too many people. Yeah, I went there for a weekend, and bro, I was ready to go home. California, Wanganui, Dubai, Choo, Christchurch, USA, Texas, Greenland, Malaysia, Kyle, Netherlands, Canada, Colorado, Arkansas, Jamaica, Choo, Dunedin, Alaska, England, the UK. Where else? We got Germany on Twitch. What are you up to today? Oh, we just finished carving for the day, pretty much. Southampton, Sunderland. Where's that? Iceland, Germany, Colorado, Canada on Twitch. Ethiopia. Far out. Queenslander. When is the next state of origin? Is it soon? So many people from around the world, bro. There's heaps, bro. Twitch, YouTube, and TikTok as well. Egypt. The Queen. Where's that? What's up, Devon? Or are you saying you're from Devon? Or thank you, Spearfish. South Africa, Mexico, Wanganui. Aloha. So that would be Hawaii, Iceland, New Jersey, Cambridge. Where else? Oh, so Devon's an actual place. Oh, okay. Kia ora, kia ora. Where is Devon, by the way? Sorry, I just seen the bro from Devon on Twitch. Thank you very much, Spearfish. Ngā mihi, my bro. Yeah, where is Devon located? Hey, what's up, Hossie? Bottom left of the UK. Oh, okay, okay. Hello from the Netherlands. Kia ora. Next to, there's a place called Cornwall. They even have a wall of corn. I'm not actually being an idiot. I'm being curious. Do they have a corn wall there? Every time I see corn, it just reminds me of Cornwood. I'm intrigued by it now. Judging by the laughing faces, no. Oh man, that's a scam. How did it get the name Cornwall then? How did it get that? We're learning world maps. Yeah, I didn't really globe much. I don't know what it's called. Or globe or world much. So that's why I just asked you guys. I can tell you many things about Maori wood carving, but I can't tell you shit when it comes to the world. When someone goes, where's Italy? I go, oh, by the water. By the sea. Shaped like a boot. Am I right? I could be wrong. That's the one thing my teacher knew about me all the time. They're like, where's the only place I knew was Australia, Africa, and America. Which sea? Yeah, they never really asked which sea, but I always say when they ask, you almost smashed today, tomorrow, and the next day. Some golf, bro, crazy, eh? Oh yeah, I was never good at globe. What even is it called? How much is that one? So these are commissions that I had to finish on behalf of my uncle. They were paid jobs, but I asked my auntie to give the money to my uncle's wife. Geography, that's it. Because if you don't know, my uncle passed away a couple weeks back, probably a month now that I think about it. And yo, RJ Simpson, thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro, and Alex for the roses. Yes, so that's the reason why I decided not to take the money, and I'd rather the money go to my auntie to help her and whatever. How old is their beanie? When did we get these? I don't know. Nah, recent. Not old as. So yeah, that's why the main reason why I'm doing it without, thinking about any of that is just to uphold my uncle's legacy. Because obviously, it's fallen to me and his other students to carry it on. Just makes sense. Do you have a shop online? No, I don't. I normally just do the commissions like after we've finished discussions with the person, whoever it may be, and then boom, straight into it on the stream. Are you Maori? Yes, I am. Yeah, so like, because it's my uncle, he was someone I idolised when it came to carving, and I just want to uphold his mana more than money, pretty much. More than getting money. Next minute, oh, it was $2,000. Eh? What was that? But yeah, that's my main reason why I just took my uncle's commission without hesitation. How long should they take to make? How long have we been on their paddle for? I need to start downloading VODs before they get deleted. Because I don't think the VODs last that long, even if you're a partner or ambassador. Thank you very much, Alex. And is it Xi Level? Xi Level Live? Is that how I say it? Play Ghost of Tsushima? Yep, I platinumed it on PlayStation. Where are we? What's up, Udi? Udi and Lucy Purr. Oh, kia ora, kia ora. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Cherry Felix. Namihi. Yo, Alex, bro. Up 3. Let me use my beard to check. Yo, thank you, Alex and Connor. Hello, mate. Are you well? I am slightly getting hungry, so I'll most likely finish the stream soon. What am I going to have for lunch? I don't know. Probably just some protein, some porridge and protein. Nothing too crazy. Alliance or Horde? I have played Horde majority of my WoW life. Go eat Brox. Yeah, gotta hit our 3-hour quota first. Get a mean burger. Yeah, I need to get I don't really know much about this calorie deficit stuff. I follow our evidence-based training guy. He's cool. Yo, Juan, thank you very much for the aroha, my bro. Thank you very much. Either I don't want to do the carnivore diet because every person I heard that's done it got gout. And I don't know if, that's for me. I don't want to get gout. Can you send stream with it? No. Okay, how much do you want a twerk emote? It probably won't be a carving, that's the thing. It'll most likely be the mascot my kids made for me. Yeah, so I don't know much about like calorie deficit stuff. Um, I don't know, probably have to cut out carbs a little bit, or a little bit heaps. I'm probably the living embodiment of walking carbs right now. If I don't give you, whoever told you that, oh hey, I don't know if I'll just be keen to eat chicken and steak and all that for tea. Cause what is it? Is it like man, Texas heat is the worst, or is the nutsack stuck to the leg, my bro? Sorry to all the sisters in the stream once again. Any news going on, brother? Haven't been on Twitch in a while. Miss my favorite Maori boy. Not really. Like the world's still spinning. I still wipe front to back. Whoa, almost said I was the other one. Those guys are weirdos, man. The back to front guys. They're weird. No, nothing's really changed other than trying to live a healthier life, pretty much. Yeah, I do fasting majority of the mornings too. Majority of the mornings. This guy is so chill. Oh, yeah. I didn't know what to say. In my opinion, whatever helps you. Yeah. I mean, when you're next, probably tomorrow, apupu. So I try and do Monday to Friday, within the school hours, cause can't stream while kids are home, unless Nan comes to get kids and kick wife to sister's house. But that's a rare occurrence. That the combo. Are you Maori or Hawaiian? Maori. Can you make Maui's hook? I probably can. Would I make the one off the movie? No. That's a waste of timber in my eyes. That's too much timber to waste. Is this the guy from Moana? I know The Rock ruins a lot of movies he's in, but other than Moana, no, it's not me. Your grandmother's from Aotearoa? Oh, true. What up, Adam? Bro, the comments that some of these private find here TikTok accounts try and post, bro, they are the worst betas ever. Look, one's got a heart emoji pointing to the heart. Some of these bot accounts are the worst masturbators in the world. And I was meant to say it that way too. Let us not fall to these bot accounts, brothers and sisters. Apes together, strong. Not like we do anyway. Where are we? Oh, we even got someone trying to be racist in the Twitch chat. Lucky we're 10 steps ahead. He tried to drop the N-bomb in my chat. His name is Grab These Nuts 21. So if you want to ban him on, if you want to cross ban him on any other platform, go hard. That's his Twitch name. Get banned, boo boo. Check my secret live stream. This is my response to these bot accounts. Check my secret live stream, link in bio, twitch.tv/Brox with an underscore. If you are specifically a bot account, this is specifically to the bots. We know what you're doing, so go to my stream and click the purple button underneath the screen. Why can't people just be chill? Yeah, they're pretty stupid, eh? A lot of people try and drop the N-bomb in the stream, but, you know, because they have the attention span of a bloody mollusk, it doesn't last long. How cold is it? It's not that cold, I don't want to get sick, that's all. Hello from Wisconsin. Kia ora. Haven't done that in a while. Yeah, I was lining it up, I ain't gonna lie, I was aiming them up, then I saw you get them. One thing about the mods and us on Twitch, and me on Twitch, guys, everyone is listening, we always try and snipe the bands. Hello from Illinois. Kia ora. Yo, George, what did I say it like that? George and Joss Fields, ngā mihi nui ia kōrua. You should draw tamoko. I prefer not to, because it's not really the realm that I wanna invest time into when there's others, you know, that invest time into that. Yo, what's good? I'm good, my bro. Oh, no, I'm getting hungry, not gonna lie. Heard about this guy ages ago. Did you see me on Invincible? My name is Gatman. I'm Gatman. Turns around, looks back. No. Yo, Josh Field, thank you for the aroha, my bro. What time tomorrow? 9:30 in the morning, pretty much. What is the time? It is 12:18. How long we been on for? Another 15. Get man, turn around. Back to my all good, Adam. Have a good one, eh? Yeah, so my phone is getting flat now, TikTok. If you want to jump over to Twitch or YouTube, that's where I'm going to be carrying on the rest of the streams before I eventually dip out. But if not, kei te pai as well, have a good day. Ngā mihi to everyone on TikTok as well. You have a good day. Thank you very much for the aroha. But if you want to jump over, I'll be on those two platforms carrying on pretty much. And have a good one. I dropped a new video on YouTube. I'm still trying to get good at editing. Bear with me. I actually want to try and do it myself. So have a good one, eh? See you, TikTok. Ka kite. Alright. Hello, guys. It's just you and me now. I'm just wondering what was the hateful speech I see it on TikTok. Oh, shit. Beauty school dropout. Go back to high school. Alright, maybe I should finish up early. I normally try and hit 3 hours every day. But because we've got everything done, and we need a good day to carry on. Just because I don't want to waste your guys' time. Unless you are enjoying the yarns. Oh, my heart and run, I know I will. Have a good one, lad. See you later, Caesar. Geez, the bot accounts were strong today. They were random as, like I was watching them through the whole stream, and all they were doing was just like messaging numbers and whatnot. So I was like, what in the binary code are they on about? Early finish? Alright then. Alright, anyone on hard hat? Choose us someone I can send yous to, my bro. Hey, B-Tree! Aloha, my kazi. How are you? Kia ora for the kōrero. All good. Off to mahi. Ka kite. Have a good day at mahi. Yeah, I'm getting ready to finish up too. Have light lunch. And then see if my wife wants to go for a walk. Our honeymoon is next month too. And I am excited. I'm excited to have a break just with us. Just with me and her. Seen Benny playing. Yeah, it seems a bit quiet, eh? Quiet. Oh, it is Sunday in America. I'll have a look and see who's on. I might hardhead. I might hit up the art Discord because I've been asked if I can. I'm gonna ask to see if I can submit this carving of TJ that I'm gonna do for the gallery. Yeah, I'm thinking of doing that. I've got a fair idea of what I want to do for TJ's piece. Yo, Thunder, what should I use? Let's View, eh? I want to try do this iPad stuff today. If I crack it today, I'll go live on the main account again tonight. Bro, I forgot to do the scan. That's why I was face palming, my bro. Like, I forgot to do the 3D scan of that piece. Take some photos for it. Not till I got home. I was like, I'm an actual papega. Because I got home, yeah, sent the piece off, and I went, wait a minute. I was supposed to do something with this piece. Yeah, I forgot to 3D scan it for the art gallery in the game and actually take photos for my own portfolio. I'll be honest, this was my thought when I stood there. I was like, you dumb cunt. I don't take offense to that word, but yeah, I was calling myself that when I was sitting in the kitchen looking out the window. I was like, fuck. So, don't be like me if you're an artist and you send the piece off and you forget to do some of the main things you're supposed to do by taking pictures for your portfolio. Yeah, I did that. So hopefully Coil's been secret and he 3D scans it himself. I'll just raid Coil anyway. Oh nah, he can be a bit much for people. I don't know who to raid. He is a very unfiltered person. yeah, I was gonna ask him for some photos, but I think it's already hanging up. I got the whakamitsu to my. All good. Yeah. Oh, you straighten your hair. Ow. Coil is funny though. Yeah, I just send used to Coil. See, I told you I'm an idiot with my wife. You know what I should have done to piss her off? I should have went. She hates it, man, when I start doing Caesar. Alright, guys, you have a good one. If I figure out how to do Let's View on the PC tonight, we'll start drawing up TJ Walker, the TJ piece. If not, I'll most likely be fishing in GTA. And still trying to grind to join CG. But yeah, have a good one. Aroha nui. I'll see you later, eh? Not sure about the twerking emote though, guys, so don't hold your breath. See you later.